Hey guys, it's me, Hector the Bus 57. Today we are playing Jack Minecraft. Oh, I'm sorry, this is casting a new. Okay, let's start. Okay, we're guys, what should we do? Where? Maybe only my city is so dark there. Okay guys, come on, yes. Okay guys, I'm Indonesian in English, but if you don't understand me in English, yeah, I'm in Indonesian, I will speak English. Okay, come on, now we have that. Oh guys, what is this? Okay, slash and time sunrise no day. Okay, now it's already day. The zombie pigman, he is dying. Okay guys, you see this? This is maybe the part 1 only. If you want to see guys, the video we crafted this server was that the crafting recipe. I don't have to wait. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, maybe 3. Okay, guys, hit the bell button and the like button. Subscribe my channel, okay, guys. And if you don't want, I will dare you in home. I will explode your home. Okay. So subscribe me. Good. You subscribe my channel, guys. Good. So good. Okay, if you don't, I save you good. You don't subscribe it, we'll export your house. Okay. So let's get start building this. Okay, done. Here's a here. What's my there? You know. Okay, maybe just here, and let's make a stairs. Okay, let's start with there. Then increase the block. Wait, I don't want that. Maybe this. And then the grass is so cool with this. Okay guys, let me see what is this. No, I cannot go in, so I have to break this block. Okay. Nope. What the? Oh my god. Maybe we have to do that. Okay. If I die, maybe we should make a try. And then that awesome. Okay, and try again. Yeah. Okay, maybe have to remove this. Okay guys, I don't want to 3, 5. That's it. Okay, maybe we should not take the stairs. Okay, we are all done. And then now face it. This is a stair, guys. And after we done this, I can unrecord this video, and we will see you next time. Okay, that's done. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, guys. If I hope you subscribe it, hit the bell button, and I will see you next time. Bye.